Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be looking at the cleaning cycle and how to do it on the Jura E8. What you're going to need for this is the authentic Jura cleaning tablets. They come in a 6-pack and a 25-pack. So my machine doesn't actually need a clean, but yours might. You'll know by having a red gear on the bottom left corner of the screen. Initiate the cleaning cycle by selecting the gear and then the clean button. Now the first thing your machine will ask you is to empty the tray. Even if you have already emptied it, you're going to have to remove it, give it about 30 seconds, put it back in, empty of course, and the cycle will begin. So small pro tip, you might want to put either a large cup or some sort of receptacle underneath the central spouts of your machine during this process. You could allow the water to drip into your tray. I prefer to use this, I find it easier, it could be a little bit messy, purely up to you. The next phase for this will be adding your cleaning tablet. What will happen is the machine will indicate it is time to insert a tablet. What you will do is open the chute on the back. You're going to put your tablet into the pre-ground bypass, close it, and select next. Once that's done, the machine will begin and complete the cleaning cycle. It'll remove any fats, oils, and stale coffee from the brewing unit, ensuring clean coffee for every single brew after. Once you're done the cycle, the final thing the machine will ask you is to empty the tray. You're going to remove the tray, empty all the liquids into your sink from both the coffee grounds container and the drip tray, reinsert them where you'll see a green check mark indicating the cleaning cycle is complete. This takes roughly 15 minutes. And that's how you clean the Jura E8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some cool content, and check out our website www.fiamma.ca for all your maintenance products needs.